Harry and Tash's team have had a massive turnaround.
I've been working my hands down to the bone. Where you gonna be when the money runs low? Lovers, they and friends come and they go. Where you gonna be when the money runs low?
The light's getting bigger at the end of the tunnel, so look at that. It's starting to look amazing. We are well and truly in a good spot.
That is true optimism right there.
I'm pretty confident that we'll finish.
Our boys are all just supporting each other.
Yeah.
Dad, it is amazing.
It's amazing.
Look what these people are doing. They've done this in like 4 days. 4 days. It's freaking incredible.
We have got the loudest house across the whole block. They're all yelling happy things to each other and singing and whistling, and it's making it a fun, even though it's chaotic, it's making it a fun work environment for everyone, and they're all working together.
Hey, guys, are we going to finish tonight?
Yeah, mate, we're going to finish, mate.
And they're all helping each other out. You know, our chippies are helping our landscapers are helping our chippies. Like, everyone's working together, and it's amazing to see. It's incredible to see.
The only thing I can see this whole thing crumbling is the painting not getting done.
I'll be painting up to the morning. I've got five bottles of gas, and that will keep me nice and warm, and I'll get this all sorted.
Have you looked at the forecast about 11 o'clock tonight?
No? Does it rain?
85% chance of rain.
Gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better paint. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
11 to 1 o'clock. A lot of rain.
Better paint. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Go away, Dan. The quicker you go away, the quicker we can paint.
Well, go, mate. Get into it. Get into it, H. Come on.
I think all the contestants just have to paint the front. We have to paint the side as well.
That's
so we've got
okay.
extra painting.
It's gonna be fine. The painting I've already done. I've just got to do a second coat. Finished. It's gonna be fine. Are you kidding? We're gonna put music on.
Put music on, that's right.
We're gonna get some pizza. We're gonna get some chocolate. Come on, dance, boys.
That's enough. I'm going to paint. All right. I'm going to paint. Here comes the rain.
Holy cow, here comes the rain.
Farmers love the rain. We love it.
What about Sparkies, George?
Now, I don't know what to do. It didn't rain. It was a torrential hurricane. It was that bad.
And if things weren't difficult enough for their Bricky, now he has to work in the rain.
We got saturated, but, mate, we had to keep going, so...
Yeah, we've had to do a little campsite just to keep everyone out of the rain.
Probably, what, you'd say 6 hours to reveal. It's cold, it's wet. I think there's a severe hurricane. It's just a nightmare. Nightmare.
So I roll like a stone, hands up in the air. I don't wanna care, and I'll die with no regret.
Back in House 1, and it seems the weight of the mammoth painting task ahead has finally hit our father-daughter duo.
We need to still paint all this stuff. And it's just gonna slip off. Which is a problem, because I really want to finish this so we can win, and if I don't have that painted, we will not win.
Can't say they weren't warned.
85% chance of rain.
Gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better paint. It's gonna rain. Go away, Dan.